How to find the nearest store using Domino's Pizza Store Locator. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Domino's Pizza website. Here, click on Stores at the top. After you click on Stores at the top, it will lead you to this page. Here, add your postcode, suburb, or store location name. After you've added, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply type in, then click on the location you want, and it will give you different stores. Simply press on select, and then you'll find your nearest store. You'll find its opening hours, closing hours, exact location, and number as well. And this is how to find the nearest store using Domino's Pizza Store Locator. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.